Number 1. 1996 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,800. This truck is a well-preserved classic pickup with only 61,000 miles. It has been garage-kept and is in excellent condition both inside and out, with zero rust. The truck is powered by a dependable 5.2-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing a smooth and comfortable driving experience. It also comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning, a tow hitch, and a fiberglass bed topper, adding both comfort and practicality for everyday use. The truck has the look and character of a true old school and has clearly been well cared for over the years. The only known issue is that the driver's side window is off its track and will need attention. To clarify, this Ram 1500 is a two-wheel drive model and is not equipped with four-wheel drive. Number 2. 1990 Toyota pickup, price $5,000, solid and well-kept classic pickup with 222,000 miles. It is powered by a V6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, giving it a simple and enjoyable driving experience. The truck features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior and is equipped with air conditioning, making it comfortable for everyday driving. Overall, the pickup is in very good condition for its age, with only a few minor cosmetic details. It runs and drives well, and the interior has been kept in very good condition. The truck has a clean and well-preserved overall appearance, making it a great option for someone looking for a dependable classic Toyota pickup. The title is also in hand, making the transaction straightforward. Number 3. 1995 Ford Ranger, price $6,295. It has 77,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 3.0L Vulcan V6 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and 2WD. It features a green exterior with a matching green interior and comes equipped with the XLT package, power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, cruise control, ice-cold air conditioning, and hot heat. Everything works exactly as it should, and there is no check engine light. The truck has been thoroughly gone through and is ready to go. Recent maintenance and upgrades include brand new Cooper Cobra GT tires, new Monroe shocks, a new cam synchronizer, a new fuel filler neck and fuel cap, and a brand new Die-Hard Gold battery. It also has a new Pioneer Bluetooth stereo, new bug shield, and new vent visors. All systems have been freshly serviced, and the truck has received a fresh alignment. It comes with a clean title in hand in the seller's name and is ready for its next owner. Number 4. 1985 Dodge D100, price $9,900. It has 65,000 miles and is powered by a 318 V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior and runs on gasoline. The current owner has replaced the radiator, alternator voltage regulator, starter motor, exhaust system, carburetor, front disc brake pads, and rotors. Most of the rubber moldings have also been replaced, and a complete replacement molding kit is included. The windshield has some fogging around the edges, and the radio is not currently working. The truck comes with receipts from both the original and current owners, along with the original factory build sheet. Overall, it is a well-documented classic Dodge D100 with several important mechanical and cosmetic components already replaced. Number 5. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,800, solid and dependable pickup with 273,000 miles. It is powered by a 5.3L V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, giving it plenty of power for everyday driving, hauling, and general work. The 4WD system is fully functional and works as it should, making this truck more capable in different driving conditions and on rougher roads. It also has cold AC, providing comfortable driving even on hot days. The truck features a white exterior with a black interior. For its age, the paint still looks nice and gives the truck a clean overall appearance. The interior has been well kept and remains in good condition considering the mileage and age of the vehicle. It also sits on a great set of wheels and tires, which gives the truck a strong and attractive look while providing a solid stance on the road. Number 6. 1987 Mazda B2300, price $3,900, well-kept classic pickup with 160,000 miles. It is powered by a gasoline engine and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive. The truck features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean and timeless look. For its age, this Mazda B2300 is in excellent condition. It has nice-looking paint that still presents well, along with good tires and great wheels that complement the overall appearance of the truck. The air conditioning works and adds extra comfort while driving. It runs and drives well and is ready to be driven and enjoyed. Overall, this B2300 is a nice older pickup with a solid appearance, good running condition, and plenty of classic character.
Number 7.
1995 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500. It has 91,000 original miles and is powered by a reliable 4.3-liter engine paired with an automatic overdrive transmission. The truck runs and drives like new, offers great gas mileage, and is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. A newer fuel pump has also been installed, adding to its reliability. The S10 is equipped with power windows, cruise control, and a nice original stereo system with a cassette player. The air conditioning works properly and blows nice and cold, making it comfortable to drive even on hot days. Everything on the truck works as it should, and there is no rust anywhere on the vehicle. Mechanically, the truck needs nothing and is ready to be tagged and driven. The exterior is finished in blue, and while the paint has some fading on the hood and roof, the truck remains a solid and well-maintained example with low original mileage.
Number 8.
1990 Ford Ranger, price $6,000. This truck has 138,000 miles and is powered by a 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior and comes equipped with four-wheel drive. The truck is in great mechanical condition and has been well maintained over the years, with maintenance records and invoices available. The engine runs strong, the 4x4 system works great, and it has a new exhaust.
The brakes were completely serviced last year and are still under warranty.
The interior is also in impressive condition for its age. The air conditioning is currently not operational, the tires need to be replaced due to weather cracking, and the passenger side rear tire has a slow leak.
Number 9.
1995 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,000. This truck has 381,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a gray interior and comes equipped with a custom fiberglass speaker box containing two 15-inch Scar audio subwoofers, powered by a 3,500-watt Scar audio amplifier. The transmission does have a noticeable whine in first gear and reverse, and the clutch was replaced approximately 7,000 miles ago.
The paint shows some oxidation, and there are a few small dents around the truck, but nothing major.
Despite these cosmetic imperfections, the truck runs, drives, and stops great and remains a solid, functional pickup.
Number 10.
1998 Mazda B2500, price $5,600, well-maintained pickup with 106,000 original miles. It comes equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and 2WD, making it a simple and practical truck for everyday driving and light-duty use. The truck features a clean black exterior with a charcoal interior and runs on gasoline. The B2500 runs and drives great and has never given the owner any problems. It has recently been equipped with brand new brake pads, rotors, and calipers, providing fresh braking components for added confidence on the road. The air conditioning and heater both work great, making it comfortable to drive in different weather conditions. It also comes with a matching black bed cover that gives the truck a clean, finished appearance while helping protect the bed and anything being carried.